living here in this West Karbi Anglong. Not only in West Karbi Anglong, in this Karbi Anglong we have 8 constituencies living in this Karbi Anglong, around 30,000 populations. So till now, for Khasi people, it is very sad to hear that if we see the Khasi village of Karbi Anglong district, is very totally horrible. Even instead of going by vehicle, we cannot go even by foot also the village. Especially in raining seasons, it is totally, we cannot go on foot also. You will fall down. And there is no government facilities over the Khasi's villages. What is happening in Khasi villages in this Karbi Anglong? We have the right to protect our traditions. We have right to protect our own culture. And since it is protected area in 1935, partially excluded area, so we the tribal peoples have right to express our own rights, and we have rights to demand what is good for our welfare of the community and well-being of the community. So when we say politically, since 1951, after the formation of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, till now, it is 71 years already, till now they cannot give even a nominated embassy into the Karbi Anglong. What is fall? What they seen to the Khasi people here? Just imagine, it's almost to be 100 years, 71 years of this Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Till now, they cannot give us a representative. What they have seen to us, we have living here as a brother and sister before the inception of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, before the United Mikir Hills and North Churches. We are living together. We share our language each other. Same thing with Karbi. Whatever they speak, the proverbs and some other sacrifices they use, we share our language, and we are living together till now. We are own. The Karbi peoples are our own brothers, elder brothers and sisters, and they have protected us somehow. But we are living in this horrible situation till now. So regarding this, I would like to request all the dignitaries to solve this problem. So thank you for. We are living here, and we will live here, and we will die here. We have no place to go there, and we are not going to decide that this is Meghalaya, this is Assam, this is Karbi Anglong. The central government will say that the issue of that border.
Pini Josimet Pet Karbilo Charlie a song with a KSA Joint Action Committee, Border of Meghalaya, THEC Pen Jack Bomb, All Meghalaya Karbi Students Association, THEC and AMCA, Lapend United Khasi People Organization, THEC and Nico. Netum Pini La Song Tiang Bong, Donkamukam, DSA, as a conference hall on it. My pedophile. So my long chingwai ponke the cemented ni tum la Karbi Anglong west Karbi Anglong ahin la Meghalaya pen la border matela so duya hoy long kidu khasiara le puno Karbiala le puno na sogbong idam tanga por ajhak jhak alam pen mane misunderstanding do bom tila da peace pan non banke ni tum thek dablong penana jir giding bang non bang chihuri la son thekong ni sa ahut pen ahut la son peace abang hampered at tila son thilo sini tu pen ma thalo lahai lahai song to meni tum chingwai bang ke lahilo etu खासिया खेले पुनोय कार्बिया खेले पुनोय ला होयलों के दो तुम बांगले तुम kai kita so kacar bo gede je pan itu pen kopini alang itu pan message piunji ma so piunji ma pu ka chingwai long pen itu chingwai lo la sin tum aduk we song du chingwai si la ile tum dam rapet pen arong long ni tum la so mon sam kai kita kapang sam jin pen kapit do kapit hak pen an so se ka paching pru dun dia pan ko son si ke do ke ma lai lam te po chi than chi mum nang ji lai jong si tum chi than chi mum lo pu tang te pini hard force mate ka phe ka tum la in tum pan inglong sui jan pan nga pachilang sila dia kai ke kleba tu bangsa me tu kan berti unji tu ma iti atau la so pini la so ko san tu ni la so mai chi wai je la bangke non ni frank pe na bangke karbi la pen nang karbi nang khasi po lambe ni tum la so kachilang selet kachi pheri tot la son bang avide nang po kusin tum ta udun lo alang li tum same pulo ni tum dak kisung ke boy an sita me kai ke ta karbi long karbi ara tum pen ke dora pet border long ke do tum an sita me tum tak dora pet pen si tum samjin pen sejar som sita me tum pichun ponang po la pen jasmet pet ni dag bang ke ni tum ke government kali dera posi tum border lampi ni ban tum chingwai ve athila dag bang ke lage sensitive issue lage central government na tum si bang chingwai po state government na tum chingwa po karbi long ta authority do karbi long termas council la tum si asi border pin ni apu thak bani tum thangna da ka chingwai po lage la pen da komani phani tum ka mis gaiji ba ka misunderstanding ke poni phani tum thangna ni tum pen lo charli song hin pen ning hang bang ke kai ke ta adu hoilong ke do karbi arar le puno khasi arar le puno ba inglong aso pendang lo kaprek akhei ke do bari ma tum si tame alang tum hasan ing samjin pen kai ke ta pe dolong wer nangji la pen dolong wer po kai ke ta ing samjin me si do wer po pula so ning ke bang ni tum da dolo aso puthak si pini chingwai pon si mai bang ni tum la dak pe